guys, it's Addie from Florida Parks After Dark. Today we are at Disney's All-Star Movies Resort at Donald's Double Feature to show you that, yes, it may be the end of July, but Halloween is already starting to show at Disney World. It's not much, but over here, we've got this shirt out already. See, it's all yellow and orange with spider webs. Classic Walt Disney World shirt. And then over here, we've got another Walt Disney World shirt with Mickey and the gang all dressed as mummies. So, yes, as soon as 4th of July is over, be on the lookout. Disney World's already getting into the Halloween spirit. We expect to see more merch come out within the coming months, but this is just the first start of it. So, guys, follow us if you want to see more Halloween and Disney updates. We'll be sure to show you everything they do, from pumpkins to Mickey's Not So Scary to other decorations they put up around the resorts. So keep following our channel and like this video, hit the bell icon, and have a great day or night or whatever it may be. Goodbye.